Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. So today we are doing chemistry tutorial sheet 4. So we are starting on question 1. So question 1 reads the freezing point of a glucose solution of that molar mass, which is 180, is 10.0 degrees Celsius, and the density of the solution is 1.50 grams per ml. What's the molarity of the glucose solution? We have been given the constant for water is what? Is 1.86, and yeah, I know that. So guys, we know that we know the formula, which is this multiplied by molarity. Since we have been given uh the freezing point, which is 10.3 degrees Celsius, so we are going to put the freezing point, which is 10.3 degrees Celsius, and we also have been given the constant, the KF constant, which is the freezing point, which is 1.86 degrees Celsius kg per mole. So now let's find the molarity. So this one is molarity. It's different from what you are finding. So if you divide 1.86 and then 1.86 molarity, it will give us what? It will give us 5.54 mole per kg. So guys, you should remember that molarity is measured in mole per kg. Now what are we going to do to find what you have been asked, which is molarity of glucose? So first of all, let's find the mass of a solid. So how are we going to find the mass of a solid? So you know that this is one. So let's find the mass of a solid. So mass of a solid, we know that from this molarity, from which molarity having 5.54 mole per watt per 1 kg, which is 1000 watt grams. So we have the moles, which is now very easy for us because we now know what we now have the moles. So what we're going to do is that we're going to multiply 5.54 mole multiplied by what? The molar mass of a glucose solution which have been given, which is 180 grams per watt per mole. So this mole and this mole will cancel. So mean mass will remain with kg, which is mass is equal to what? 997 grams. So guys, we'll find the mass of a solid. Now we have to find the mass of a solution. So because we are finding the molarity of the glucose solution, this is just a mass of a solid. So what are we going to do? So let's write 2. We are finding mass of a solution. Mass of a solution. So mass of a solution will be equal to 1000 grams plus 997 grams. So this will give us 1000 plus 997 grams, which will give us 1997 grams. So guys, finally found the mass of a solution. So this is amazing. So now let's now go on to find what the volume, because we know that molarity is equals to what? Number of moles over what? Volume. Concentration is equals to number of moles over volume. So that molarity is just same as what? Concentration. So since we have the the mass of a solution, we know we have been given the density of the solution to be what that. So we know that density equals to what mass over what volume. So now we can now find, you have seen that we can now find volume. So what we're going to do is that density we have been given. So it's just a matter of what replacing. So 1.50 grams per mil is equals to what is our mass? Our mass is 1997 grams over what v. So if you multiply this, so if you multiply this, you find that this this volume will be equal to what 1997 grams over what 1.50 grams what per mil. So this and this will cancel. So this volume, if you punch this volume, what is it giving us? So it's what is it giving us if you punch the volume? So 1 divide 1.50. So it's giving us 1.3 millimole. So guys, you should take note of the units because we know that volume is measured in what liters. So we divide this to change this into meters. We divide this into what? We divide 1000 into this. So we have. So if we divide answer, divide 1000, which will give us 1.33 liters. So these are the correct units for volume. So now we can now go on to find what molarity, that is finally. So molarity equals to a number of moles over what volume, guys. So we have this number of moles which we get from the what molarity, so which is 5.4 watt per 1 kg. So we can now just put it here. So which is molarity will be equal to a number of moles is 5.54 mole over volume, which is 1.33 liter. So molarity, which is given as what 4.16 mole per liter, which is this is 4. This is 4.16 mole per liter. Yeah, so this guys, this is just first question of the tutorial sheet. So watch my next video if you want to question 2, question 3, and yeah, know the questions. Yeah, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye.